Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Hope all of y'all had a wonderful holiday season, spending time with family and opening gifts. Can you believe 2024 is coming to an end? 2 days left. Oh wow, this whole year went by fast. And are you hosting a New Year's Eve party? Well, I've got a great appetizer to share with y'all. We're going to make Hawaiian meatballs. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, only 4 ingredients. And we're going to cook it in the slow cooker. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, full of Hawaiian flavors. And once you taste these, everybody will be going back for seconds. So you may want to make another batch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, eggnog biscuits. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your meatballs, your pineapple, and your slow cooker sugar because we're about to cook some Hawaiian meatballs magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our sauce. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. Next, we're going to add in a 121-ounce can of pineapple chunks along with the juice. And make sure you get the one in the juice, not in heavy syrup. And last but not least, we're going to add in a 118-ounce bottle of barbecue sauce. And I'm using the Hawaiian flavor, Sweet Baby Ray's carried it. And my friends, this Hawaiian flavor really going to change the game. Going to take it to the next level. I found it at my local Kroger, but if you can't find the Hawaiian flavor, you can use the Hickory brown sugar. Give it a quick stir until it's well blended. And just that quickly, my friends, our sauce is done. How simple and easy was that? So now I'm going to set this aside while I get my meatballs and slow cooker. All right, my friends, I got my slow cooker right here. So now we're going to spray it with some cooking spray, or you can use the crock pot liners for easy cleanup. And the cooking spray will prevent the meatballs from sticking. Now we're going to add in the meatballs, and I'm using a 132-ounce bag of frozen turkey meatballs, or you can use the regular home style. Now we're going to pour this yummy Hawaiian sauce all over the meatballs, like so. Stir it all together until it's well combined. Make sure all the meatballs are coated in the sauce. Okie dokie, my friends. So all we do is cover it, turn it on high, and we're going to let it cook for 3 hours. Your kitchen's going to smell amazing. And I'll bring you back. My friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. OMG, look at those meatballs. My mouth's watering. And it smells tropical up in this kitchen. Look at the pineapple chunks and that luscious sauce. This also will make a great weeknight meal. You can serve it over a bed of rice. Alrighty, our meatballs are ready to serve. So I'm about to pour them into my plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Hawaiian meatballs. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Got me a couple of toothpicks. Gonna put a meatball on, and the other one with a meatball and a pineapple. Look at that. Have a bite. The meatballs are tender and succulent, and the sauce is sweet and flavorful. These will definitely be a hit at the party. Y'all will go crazy over these. Marvelous meatballs. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Love me some pineapple. Juicy and full of tropical goodness. Yum-o. Hawaiian meatballs, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love and Happy New Year.